Hey guys, hope you're doing good. So today I thought I'd make a little video about my journey to making my friend birthday jollof. If you don't know what birthday jollof is, it's basically me making Nigerian party jollof for my friend Jackie. It was her birthday yesterday and she's always talking about jollof rice. She's always wanting jollof rice. She's from Uganda and they don't really make jollof rice, but she's always talking about jollof rice. So I thought, okay, let me make her jollof rice. It is her birthday, so I'm gonna do that for her. So I'm gonna just take you on the journey of me going to get her some ingredients. So I'm boiling in this car, guys. It's actually really hot, but I'm not complaining because I need all the vitamin D that I need, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna go. I got my mask ready with this situation out here, you know what, I'm not gonna say the name. But yeah, so guys, I thought I'll take you on the journey. So I'm about to get going and gonna get some rice, gonna get some tomato puree and some other ingredients that I need, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm now here on my local street. I've now got some sweet peppers, so there's my first stop. I've got some sweet peppers. The next thing I need to get is rice. I'm gonna get some basmati cellar rice. And yeah guys, this whole look with sunglasses and mask is actually not the one. I am sweating buckets, but we shall make it. We will survive. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm finally home from, oh wow. Guys, so I'm finally back home from gallivanting the streets to get the ingredients for this. So I've got all my ingredients now and we're just gonna go to the house and we're gonna start cooking. I'm tired. I'm literally falling asleep as I'm standing up because this heat is a lot and it's actually making me feel quite tired. But as I promised her, birthday jollof, I promised her birthday jollof, it's gonna happen. So she actually lives across the road from me, so that just makes everything amazing because I can just make it and just simply walk 2 seconds to get it to her. So I'm pleased about that. And yeah, we're gonna get started getting to make it, and then yeah, I'm gonna share the process with you, so stay tuned. So guys, it's operation, oh, the sun is in my eye, I'm in the kitchen. It's operation party jollof time. So I'm in my kitchen and I'm about to get started. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I've got set up and I'm ready. Sorry guys, the lighting in here is just very poor, but yeah, let's get started. So guys, I've got my rice washed and ready. This is the Tilda golden cellar rice. And this is what I usually use to make my jollof rice. I've got that all washed and ready to go. Over here I've got my peppers, I've got scotch bonnets, and I've got some onions cut up. These I'm gonna fry them until I get them giving me like an onion taste within the oil. And yeah, okay, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the next steps. I've got 3 plum tomatoes that I'm going to be using and blending alongside the other ingredients that I've got. So guys, I've got all my ingredients in the blender ready to blend, and I'm going to just blend it now. So let's go. So guys, this is the pot that I'll be using. It's Mahusive, and I've got some oil just being heated, and then I'm going to add my onions. So guys, I put the onions and they are frying. I'm gonna wait for these to go to literally be nearly burning basically, and then yeah, we'll continue. Now guys, this is a very scary part. I'm actually so scared. I'm gonna pour the mixture into the oil, but I need to like move back in. It's so freaking scary. But we did it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna let this cook. I'm gonna put a lot of seasoning in it to make it taste really good. But yeah, that was the scary part. Wanted to fry the oil and nearly took myself out. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to put into it. I've got jollof seasoning, I've got some turmeric, I've got some Italian seasoning. I've got some ginger, powdered ginger. I've got some thyme. I've got some cumin. I've got a vegetable stock cube. I've got curry. I've got all these ingredients, and I am just gonna dash it in and make it all taste good in the hood. So guys, this is our mixture. I've put the ingredients, and now we've got this orangey tomatoey mixture. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a tomato puree into this, and I have got this tomato puree that I got from the shops on my journey, and I'm going to put this in there. Hey. So guys, we just let it cook before we put our rice in. We let it cook, get all the seasoning into it. Oh guys, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so let it simmer for a bit, and then I shall put the rice. So guys, now I'm gonna add the rice in so it can cook together, and then we'll have the jollof. So guys, the rice is in there right now, and I'm just gonna wait for it to cook, and yeah, and we'll see the outcome. Let's get it. Can't wait for this party jollof. It's gonna taste so good. So good, guys. I could cry. Oh my god. So guys, here we have it. The jollof rice is fully done, and all the tomato sauce is dried up, and there we are. We've got jollof, and it tastes super good. Now I'm just gonna package it and go and give it to Jackie. Not the whole thing. Yeah, my family gotta eat too. So yeah, just some enough for her family, and then yeah. So guys, the rice has been packaged. This is for my household. Here we go. The rice is, you know, we've got a big family. And then we've got Jackie's rice. And what do we have? We have it in an African chin chin container, and she'll love it. There we go. That's the jollof there, ready to be given and delivered to her. So guys, I've delivered the jollof to Jackie. How you feeling about it?
I'm feeling great. I'm so excited. I can't wait to taste it. It looks amazing. Look at this. Woo! Yum, yum, yum.
And we've also got some for the friends as well, with some plantain.
Yes.
So yeah, and that's the end of the vlog. Jackie's happy. I'm happy. To be honest, I wish I could have done better with the jollof, but you know,
It's fantastic.
it is what it is. But she's happy. Yay!
Yay!